learned that from Mons. What's good, Bangkok? How you guys doing? Thank you guys for pulling up. I appreciate y'all. I come to Thailand pretty often. I think almost every year. I came last year for Rolling Loud. Did anyone come see me at Rolling Loud? Cool. So, yeah, it's good to be back to, put on a full show, 2 hours. The J Park name, Serenades&Body. Anyone come to 2019 season? So a lot of new fans, right? A lot of new fans, good. Does everyone speak English or? Just only if there's someone that doesn't understand, if you could translate it in Thai. What is it called? Kun Jai Nai. Is that it? Kun Jai Nai. Is it Nai? Kun Jai Nai. How's my pronunciation? Very good. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah. It's Soundcheck. Soundcheck. Is there any song that you want to hear? Solo? I don't care. 설레발에 나도 하나 전에 생각했으니까 너를 너무 원해 제발 설레발에 서로 알아듣지 못해 And ooh baby 대화가 필요해 구글 번역 익혔을 때 그 약속 잡아 baby 한강을 걸어 내 공연처럼 내 위를 벗어 던져 내 색깔 찍어 포토 안돼 no 들이 반대 원모 여행을 가자고 조금만 말할까요 I don't even remember how to sing that song. I don't even know lyrics. I haven't sang that song in like, I think 6 years. Huh? You guys know Joa? 조금만 행동까지 하나하나 이 모든 것이 좋아 너와 함께라면 즐거워 시간이 지날수록 더 좋아져. I lost my voice. Performed too many songs. Does it sound okay? Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next song. It's a very, very deep song. It's a very pop la kun hi hi type song. Your touch, I write it down. So high, I can't come down. It's hopeless to notice, baby, like a siren. And you gave me faith. Oh, you're the answer of my problem zone. Life with you is so beautiful. I won't trade it away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. Whether I'm up or down or no ground, it'll be the same way it did as yesterday. Whether I'm rich or poor, just call me yours. It'll be the same way it did as yesterday. I should sing it like that, lady. I should sing it like with me. I'll be like, I should pretend to cry. Anyways. Huh? Piece of heaven? You got a piece of heaven. 구원해줘서 날 견딜 수 있도록 신이 내린 거라. I've never performed that song live. I'm sorry. I don't remember the lyrics. Katie, you my love. You're the only one I'm thinking of, my baby. That's for sure. You're the only I wanna know. In nights, many days, I pray to God, send you my way. I wish come true. I only knew one day I'd have you my own. Love the way you see me when I'm torn. Anyways, this next song is a song. It's a rap song. You guys like rap, hip hop? Okay. I've been doing this at every city, and it's pretty fun. It's exciting. So there's a part in the song. It goes, Asian boy, put that mic down. That's what they said. Tattoo on my name, more that's what they said. Tao pounder back on my hand, that's what they said. But me, I never gave a fuck. What I say? But me, I never gave a fuck about what they say. Can you guys all do the little finger? Super hardcore. Let's practice one time. But me, I never gave a fuck about. You're like, me, I never gave a fuck. It's late. But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. So later on when we perform, can you do this for me? Got it. Let's go. Hey. Chill. Chill. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Where the party at? Females only go where the Barbie at. Money the fame, money all of that. I just need to for you on the start. Yeah. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. Now they see me as a goat. Now that mean I'm plus the floor. Why you bros acting like hoes? Swear I got him by the throat. I said I cut him by the throat. 난 삶을 내도 yeah they call me boss. 시책아닌다는 사실 나는 내 가슴. But they be having my dick in their mouth, so I let her off. Amigos be women like Austin. I follow these idols and rappers, but don't really care for them like I'm this Austin. 얘들아 자세 좀 이상해 치료 좀 받고 해 꼽지 posture. 난 단체 주인 팀 남들 현역 선수 only one yes sir. 난 단체 주인 팀 남들 현역 선수 only one yeah J Parkers. You ready? Okay. Asian boy put that mic down, that's what they said. Tattoo on me on a morte, that's what they said. South Palm. Ready? But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me now, look at me now, call me. Okay, that was perfect. Better look, don't know what to do. Look at me now, call me Mr. Show and Prove. Back the number rapper, motherfuckers don't know what to do. Ha, yeah. And we are. So stay down, so stay down, so stay down. And we are. So motherfuckers stay down. The snakes, watch out for the snakes, yeah. The snakes, they be switching, they can't get him. No, I never been a gangster, but I get respected. 요즘 맘에 be a challenger도 절대 잊지 마. 누가 잊지 마, I'm a fucking woman on me. Oh, like I do. Like I do.
Driving me crazy. 같이 있고 봐야 믿네. 저런 자리 와서 갖고 지금은 놀라지 말겠지, baby. Lady, 보고파 미치겠어. 둘이가 오는 please 겨울인 달고 baby turn let's play. There's a drive, cool. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do. 'Cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love from me, girl. Ain't nobody. All I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. Baby, wanna let you know you're on my mind. Do you know I'm thinking about you all the time? You know I did a mission that I'll give you my heart, baby, just don't give it back. All I wanna do is fuck you through.
Let's go. That's the drive. Okay, thank you. Cool, thank you guys. See you guys in a bit. Appreciate y'all. Hope y'all can hear here.